In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually reshape a face in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video by tapping the Import button and selecting your file. Once your video is imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the Retouch feature, which you can find in the Editing toolbar. Within the Retouch panel, navigate to the Face category. Here, you'll find multiple tools to enhance facial feature. To reshape the face manually, tap on Manual Adjustment. This gives you full control over refining facial contour. Customize your edit by adjusting the brush size to define the area you want to reshape. Use the intensity slider to control how strong the effect appears. Carefully reshape facial feature by dragging over the selected area. Subtle refinement will help maintain a natural look. Once you're done with the adjustment, preview your video to ensure everything looks smooth. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your edited clip. And that's it. You've successfully reshaped a face manually in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks.